Hello and welcome to Avantech Software's Scan2X Tech Sessions. This is a how-to video on how to create a job which detects signatures and amendments. So first you're going to have to log in as an admin using the PIN. Then you will go on an existing job or a new job if you wanted to, and we would open it in Jobs Manager. Now this is a job which we created in a previous exercise. In fact, we're not going to change any of the source or scanning settings. We're just going to verify that the document template that we want is in fact loaded. And we're going to go and create some zones for detection of signatures and amendments. So I go into the zone, I say add new zone, and I name it. So I can then know what I'm going to use it for later. And I'm going to call it delivered by signature or signed. I will then zoom in a bit and highlight the area which I would like to detect the signature in. I want to make sure that if the document moves slightly, I can still ensure I'm in the right place, so I add an anchor based upon the word delivered. I say update anchor and you highlight it, and you can know that it's the correct area. I will add another zone where I will detect if the signature of the receiver has been correctly entered. I again name it. I again want an anchor. So once I've highlighted my area where the signature should be detected, I will then anchor it using the text of the relevant keyword, which in this case would be received. Always press update anchor and make sure it's highlighted in blue to make sure you've got the right area. Again, it is highlighted. Notice I chose bottom right and I say apply. So like this, I've defined two zones, delivered by and received by. I then will add two metadata fields for me to use this newly created zones information. So I will go in and make a field called delivery person signed and another one called client signature or client signed. Okay. Once I've done that, I will say that I would like to use an expression to validate what is put into these fields. Now, since we defined a zone in the previous section, I can use this within my function. So I choose a function, I say if, and that allows me to create an expression, a value if true and a value if false. So in the expression, I ask it to check the zone and see if it is blank. If it is true, then I know it has not been signed, so I have typed into quotes, so it will be printed as a literal, the word not signed. And in double quotes again, I've written signed if it's false. In other words, if it's not blank, something will have been put in as a signature. I validate and it says signed and I apply this. I do exactly the same for the client signature, except obviously this time when I've chosen that if function, I will then choose the zone which is instead of delivery but instead of received. Again, though I say true part, that means it is blank, I will put not signed, and if the false part, in other words, there is something within that box, I will say it is signed. Again, I can validate if I wanted to, otherwise I just say apply. So this is now going to give me the value of signed if it finds something in those boxes and not signed if it finds nothing in those boxes. I save, I run the job, I confirm that I want to add all of the test documents that I have, and it starts to analyze. Now it not only reads the other metadata, but now it looks inside those defined areas, and based upon whether it finds something in those boxes or not, it will tell me whether this is signed or not signed. Okay, so notice one has got a client signature, so that shows, and the other one has a delivery man signature, so that shows a signed, and the final one has both signed, so it says signed on both. I can then obviously save all the documents and proceed.